Say hi. Hi. Well, this is so awkward. But as you can see in the title, today I will be making a vlog. One day not speaking Thai, so basically I will be speaking English almost entire day. This is like one of the most highly requested videos. I actually did like a few back then in 2017 or maybe 2018. Back then people were still confused, like why do you have to speak English in a vlog? But these days I think people are more interested in learning language. Anyway, please excuse if I made any grammatical error or the sounds horrible. I don't even know. I haven't used English for a while now. I only text my best friend in English, but I haven't talked in English with anyone in like a year or 2 years. I've been sitting here for 10 minutes now because it's very awkward. The lighting is so crazy today. It's going back and forth between sunny and cloudy, so that's why since the lighting is so horrible right now, I will just go downstairs and have my brunch. Yeah, let's go. Oh, and by the way, 우리 구독자분들이 제 한국말 듣고 싶은데 죄송하지만 이번 동영상 제가 한국말 안 할 겁니다. 왜냐면 제가 알아듣는 거 말보다 잘해서 말할 때 아직 자신이 없어요. 나중에 꼭 해줄게요. Today I'm having Black Angus beef bowl. I just ordered it like half an hour ago. Oh! Go away! Go away! The most important thing when you have a beef bowl is an onsen egg. Mix it. This is so good. My mom also made this sukiyaki Thai style. I've been eating this for 7 days straight, I think. I will have some of my mom's sukiyaki with the remaining rice in here. For dessert, I will have a donut bite. All three. It's almost 2 p.m. right now. Just now I upload a Q&A story on my Instagram, so I will answer some of you guys' questions later on. Now I'm going to work on my other videos. Actually, my cats are in my room right now. I will show you. Cuckoo! Say hi! Hello, cow! When working, I recommend turn on classical music playlist. It really helps with the concentration. Okay, I think we have done some work now. Let's have a tea time. I will go bring some tea because downstairs is very dark right now, but my room is still okay, so I will just make tea in my room. I will go set up a home cafe there, and then let's make some tea. Oh, and by the way, this is tea from Twinings, and this is honey that I got from my oldest brother's wedding souvenir. For today, I will have one of my most favorite teas from Twinings. Twinings normally has many flavors that you can choose, but today I will drink my favorite pure green tea. For pure green tea, you can have it hot or cold, but today we will make a hot one. To drink this hot, you will have to infuse 1 sachet with hot water in 2 minutes. If you prefer it sweet, you can add honey or you can add lemon if you want. For today, I will add some honey because hot green tea with honey is the best. And there you go, here's our hot green tea with honey. Very quick and easy to make. This feels so good. I know these days a lot of you guys feel bored or like get stressed very easily because we have to stay at home almost every day. So I really encourage you guys to have some like me time and like spend some time with yourself. If I know that I work hard, I will just give myself some reward. For example, ordering some good food or like make some tea, listening to good music, watch some drama. So if anyone feel tired or drained or like stressed, I really recommend you to have some good time with yourself, some healing time, and just give yourself some reward after some hard work. I received like a lot of questions. Let's check. The first question is, are you single? Yes, I am single. I've been single for 3 years already. What do you think about 2021? 2021 for me is like a pause button. Like you're living your life, but it's paused. Would you rather study abroad at US or UK, and why? If I had enough money, I would go for a bachelor degree in the US for 4 years and then go for master degree in the UK, because in the UK you only study for 1 year, I think, to get the master degree. Do you have plans to go to America for vaccinations? I have plans, but I don't have visa. What's the biggest success in your life? My biggest success is that I paid for my family home renovation. This is my family home. My grandpa built it 26 years ago and I renovated last year, and I paid for the renovation. And up until now, I paid for everything myself. I gave my parents money. I take care of everyone in my family. The biggest success is probably to be 100% independent. Some people ask me about diet tips, but I don't really do diet. I had my video about how I maintain my body back then, and that's it. I don't really exercise a lot now. Are you a full-time YouTuber, and what inspires you to go down this career path? Yes, I am a full-time YouTuber. Everything you see on my channel, I edited it, every second of it. Like even the songs, I picked it by myself. It's actually like one-man production. I am a producer, an editor, a writer, a YouTuber, a makeup artist, a stylist. What inspires me to go down this career path? I didn't even think like I'm going to make money off YouTube. I just love to edit videos. I love to edit pictures. I want to do some creative work, and I just want to share some tips that I know. How many languages can you speak? Thai เป็นคนไทยค่ะ English, because I studied in an international school. Korean, 한국말 할 수 있어요. 어렸을 때 스스로 배웠어요. Chinese, 我的中文不很好. Japanese, konnichiwa. 私は日本語が好きです. Which celeb would you want as your best friend, and why? This is very random, but I want Chinese Taemin to be my friend. No need to be like BFF, but I just want to know him as a friend, because he's unintentionally funny. Is it weird to go out and take photos alone? No, not at all. So many people ask me like how I heal myself when I have a hard time or feel down. I would just have me time, just like what I did earlier. Have already someone recognized you on the streets? Yes, to be honest, I don't consider myself a famous person or like a celebrity, but people, like some people really recognize me even if I have a mask. Wait, I have a mask here. I just went to the public like this. People will recognize me. How do you even know? Maybe my earrings? The most shocking incident was when I went to Central World and I have a mask on. I have my beanie with no makeup. One person recognized me from my voice. And I was like, how did you know? Yeah, but I'm always happy when I meet my subscribers, my followers, because they are all cute. Last question. What is your definition of the word successful? In my opinion, to be successful in life, first thing is to be financially independent. Second is to be able to balance everything, like work-life balance, because it's meaningless if you are successful, have billions, but you have no social life, no other goals, only work. And third one is to be able to discover yourself. That's very important. That's the end of our Q&A. Let's go have some dessert. I'm back in my room and now I'm going to make a thumbnail for today's video. In case you guys wondering how I do it, this day I will just screenshot some scene on my video. After screenshot everything, I just airdrop to my iPhone and then just try to mesh like everything together, something like this. And when I got it, I just put in an application inserting the text. But if I want like my own handwriting, I will just use Procreate on iPad. Okay, I switched it a little bit. This is the final one. I changed this to like orange. Okay, I just uploaded the video. This is pretty much my daily vlog. I just wake up and work, walk around the house, eat something, play with my cats. In case some of you don't live in Thailand, you may not know that we are currently in lockdown for months already. As you can see, my hair root grew a lot, like almost an inch now, and salons are closed. Shooting vlog inside my house in English is kind of weird. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.